Leo was walking through the bright green forest. The sun was shining and the birds were singing their happy songs. Suddenly, he noticed a tiny bunny sitting all alone near a big tree. The bunny looked so sad. Leo smiled and said, "Hey there, little buddy. Why are you sitting here all by yourself?" The bunny sniffled and said softly, "I lost my carrots. I have nothing to eat today." Leo knelt down and said, "Aw, don't worry. I'll help you find them." So Leo and the bunny started looking all around the forest, under the bushes, behind the rocks, and near the flowers. After a while, Leo shouted, "Hey, I found your carrots!" The bunny's eyes lit up with joy. "Thank you, Leo. You're so kind," said the bunny, hopping with happiness. Leo laughed and said, "See, when we help others, happiness always finds its way back to us." The bunny gave Leo a big warm hug, and the whole forest sparkled with sunlight and laughter.